ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a new video on the Minor Boom channel. Today we are doing a vlog here from Whitehaven. However, in this video we will not be staying in Whitehaven, we'll be heading over to Ravenglass, which is pretty close by, about 30-minute drive away. I think it's about 15 miles away, I think. But yeah, we're going to Ravenglass to go on the Ravenglass and Eskdale Railway, which is a narrow gauge steam heritage railway. I think it's about 7 or 8 miles. Sorry if the audio is going in and out a bit. Sorry about that. But okay, we will be doing the railway, of course, and then we'll be moving on and then going, hopefully, depending on the weather, hopefully visiting a beautiful waterfall called the Stanley Gill Waterfall. So if you have a look out of the view we have from here, you can see it's pretty nice, to be honest. Some hotel rooms not the best, but this one's pretty nice. You get a view of the rugby club as well. It's probably a bit difficult to see on the camera because of the mist. I'm really hoping that the mist doesn't affect when we're on the railway, but we'll have to wait and see. So I'll see you guys when we're on our way to Ravenglass.
Today's journey from Whitehaven to Ravenglass is just over 17 miles. We will be on board the first train of the day, which will leave at 10:25 AM. However, they advise all passengers to be on the platform at 10:10 for boarding. Here is one of the narrow gauge trains at Ravenglass station.
Here it is, there is the train, and you can also see the single box there at Ravenglass.
Here is our departure from Ravenglass station to Dalegarth.
There you go. Singleton area, Ravenglass.
Not much room to do, is there?
No.
Yeah, the train wants to be blue moon, change the points of them. They look a bit posher, them carriages. Not one of them.
Heading to the depot now. I think we're swapping tracks. Sort of the jerking this is.
Yeah, well.
There it is.
Oh, another one.
It must be.
Yeah, it's the old smell. I remember that. You used to go through tunnels again and you had the windows going.
Here is some of the scenery that could be seen if you went on the Ravenglass and Eskdale Railway. For the price, I think the scenery you get to see definitely is worth it, as well as going on a narrow gauge railway. I will talk about the prices near the end of this video.
That's the river down below. That's flowing here.
Yeah. our fishing round. Random sheep over there. That one.
Well, I'm good enough.
We'll call it the best grounds for sheep though.
The approach into Dalegarth Station brings you over a bridge of the River Esk. This was especially good considering the large amount of rain that happened throughout the day and night.
You have to get out.
After leaving Dalegarth Station, we decided to try find the Stanley Gill Waterfall. However, this was more difficult than you may have thought, even when there were signs around. You will see this throughout the video while we search to find it, and the times advertised were a little bit optimistic.
Defo really fast. We're on our way to the waterfall now.
One of the paths to the waterfall was closed, so we had to take a different way. This meant that we had to take a slower and more wetter way to get there.
Okay. So then, one of the paths to the waterfall was closed, so we're going a different way. Yeah, I think we are nearly here now at the waterfall. You can see the river is running pretty fast. So then, maybe it's just around this bend now. You see a few little drops, but I'm guessing big wall here. I'm guessing it's gonna be just here now. Here we go. Is it? No, it carries on a bit. We'll turn you back on once we get past this little bend.
However, we were not nearly at the waterfall. The waterfall was actually another 30 minutes or so walk from where we currently were. However, we were made believe by the signs that it was maybe a quarter of a mile away, which was of course wrong. Unfortunately, some of the audio that I recorded was accidentally muted. This was because one of the buttons was really close to the top of the camera and I accidentally clicked it without me knowing. However, it would have been great to have some sound while you are watching this. However, the beautiful images of the fast flowing river was especially good if you were there. The water was running quite fast, like I said, due to the large amount of rain that had happened. So I think even though it was quite a wet day, I think that this was beneficial, as you can see in the video. It was now time to end our waterfall adventure, even though I really wanted to push ahead and get to the main waterfall. It was probably maybe another 30-minute walk and maybe another an hour back. However, we did not have this much time left, so we decided to stay on the bridge, get some shots there, and then head back to Dale Garth Station. However, think that the images again do show the magnificence of the river when the water has been fast flowing, and you know, this was perfectly acceptable for me and everyone in our party.
Alright then, so the audio was unfortunately not recording for the bit on the bridge. I'm so sorry about it because it is magnificent to do. Okay, I've got the audio on now again, but you can see it is quite magnificent, the view. As you can see, all the nature and all of that, you can see it coming all down. Brilliant. Right then everyone, we are now heading back to Dale Garth Station, keeping with the view of the river. I don't think it's the waterfall no more, but it's quite nice, quite beautiful and all that. So we will now be heading back to the station, getting back on the railway. Do this side. Nice little stream, you can see there. You see it runs and then goes into the river there. It's still quite nice, like I said. Heading back to the station like I said before, so probably see you now when we get there. I think I've had enough of river views for now, so I'll leave you with that. Unless I see anything other amazing. But these are quite treacherous conditions. Don't know if you can hear me that well, so if not, I'll voice over it. Okay, let's get moving.
Here is some more in-depth footage of Dale Garth Station.
Here it is, Dale Garth Bobby.
Here is the full departure from Dale Garth Station, where we'll be heading back to Ravenglass.
Here we go. Back to Ravenglass. Yeah.
Well, to be honest, head. Yeah. It's the height.
Yep, off we go. Back to Ravenglass. Good start to leave.
Yeah, it's dying still.
Here is some of the footage I got on the return leg back to Ravenglass. We passed quite a few stations, which you will see in the video clips.
Now at Fisher Ground, right by the campsite. Yeah. on a bit of a turn. Here we go. We're green. You even got the stop, look, listen, your trains. I think it'll be pretty easy to see them though. They do beep as well at you. Here it is, coming now.
A few miles into our journey, another identical train heading in the opposite direction decided to pass us.
Anyone in the outdoor? No.
Empty. Yeah. Look at it steamed up in the bloody thing closed. All the windows are steamed. Yeah, I think we remember
Yeah.
We will soon be arriving back at Ravenglass Station, and that will be the end of our journey on the beautiful Ravenglass and Eskdale Railway. Now I will talk about how much it is. For a return ticket for anyone over the age of 15, it would be £18, or a single journey would be 12. I think that this is exceptionally good value for money, and I recommend anyone that is near Cumbria or the Lake District to try out this journey for themselves.
Yeah. There we go.
The end is near, and here is the entrance into Ravenglass Station.
Yeah, here we go. Back at Ravenglass. Needs a bit of a paint, that. Old. Yeah. There we go. Pulling in now. Here it is now. Workshop. Down a bit of a pain. Last stop. Probably the one we came in on. No. Ravenglass, here we are.
As the steam locomotive turns, I would like to thank everybody for watching this video of the Ravenglass and Eskdale Railway and us trying to find the Stanley Gower Waterfall and some of the beautiful scenery along the way. Make sure that you like, subscribe and comment below. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.